Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see when people became friends on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. Now go to your profile page. Scroll down and here you can see the list of friends you have. Tap on the profile you wanna check. Click on the three horizontal dots just beside the message option. Now tap on the See Friendship option. And here you can see when you became friend with this person. And that is how you can see when people became friends on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.